This is a present here.
From Grandma and Grandpa, right?
Yep.
A Wii!
Sweet! Yeah! Welcome! Now, what do you do with the Wii?
Now you gotta show us how to do with it.
Cool.
We're the only people in the world that didn't have a Wii yet, you know, so.
Okay, you know what? If you guys would just sit around, your mom's taking video, but just sit around it and kind of look at it and go, ah! Okay, Brandon, get down there. Right, yeah, okay. That's good. All right, here we go. Perfect. Okay.
Oh, that one's for me, and then there also for me.
Okay, this is from Bryn.
What?
It says.
Yeah, remember?
Right?
Oh,
Okay.
yeah, but there's one for me too.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
We should play this here. Okay, that was pretty cool.
I think we can try to figure that out.
Try to figure it out. Okay. A purse.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. I know right away.
Oh,